Hi, I wanted to go over our math packet for the week because your homework is going to be these pages. Okay, so let's talk about what we need to do on each assignment. Okay, so you may have to go back in time and think about September and October when we were working on prime factorization. So that's what we're going to do. We're making prime snowballs. Okay, so I'm going to look at my top number. I'm going to think, ooh, there's one number here. What times 2 is going to give me 6? Well, that is 3. And I cannot break those numbers up anymore, right? 3 cannot be divided by anything but itself or 1. And 2 is the only even number that is prime. So let me do one for you. Well, I'll do a couple. So for 15, I need to look at that 3, and I could either divide or I could think 3 times what is going to give me 15, or 15 divided by 3 is 5. Ooh, Miss Pepwood gave you the answer to number 1. I'm going to skip down and do number 13 for you, okay? Because now we've got more snowballs, which means more factor pairs. So I know that 4 times what is going to give me 16? 16 divided by 4, well, that is 4. And now 4 is not a prime number, right? It is even, it's not 2, and so it can be divided by 2. So I know that 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 2 is 4. So 2 is prime, and I cannot break it down anymore. So if you really wanted to be professional, you could also put 2 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth power. So that is basically this. Okay, so maybe that might bring a little bit of spark to your memory. All right, so on this page, on this worksheet, you are breaking the numbers down, and all the bottom snowballs should be prime numbers. Okay, no 10s, no 8s, no 9s, prime numbers. Now, for your challenge, you can create your own 3 different stacks of snowballs with missing factors and challenge a friend or maybe a family member. So I'll do one for myself. I'm going to go with, let's see, I'll do an easy one, a friendly one, 25. Okay, so I can break 25 up into 5 times 5. Oh, and look, those are both prime numbers, and I don't need to do any more factor pairs because I can't divide 5 any more times. So can't use 25 because I just used that one. You could do more than 3 if you would like, but try and create some of your own. I make them different than the numbers up here. Okay, next page. Here we go. Baby food, Miss Pepley. What are you doing? This is so baby for us. Well, good. It should seem friendly at this point because we've been working on some very difficult math. So what you're going to do is you're going to multiply and give me answers for all the trees. This should not take you too long. Now, you get to pick 2 out of the 3 pictures to complete. And you do not have to color them, but you do need to write the answers then very bold and maybe highlight or circle them so that I can see that you got the math right. So your assignment is to pick 2. You could pick a snowman and the stocking. Maybe you want to do the tree and the stocking. There's nothing on back of the stocking. If you choose to do all 3, you will get some extra credit points. So let's talk about what this means. When I see parentheses, that means whatever is inside the parentheses, I must solve first. Okay, so you might remember, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And this is our order of operations, which means parentheses, exponents. Then we will multiply, divide, add, and subtract. So first things first, I need to multiply. And 4 times 9 is 36. 36 minus 31 will be 5. So what I like to do is go through and get all my answers done. I circle them so I know. And then what I can do is go back and then color. So here is your key of colors. So if the answer is 9, you would shade that section in blue. All right, remember you do not have to color it, but it helps me to tell if you've gotten it right. So if you have this 5, right, like this, what I would suggest you doing is maybe putting it in pen. I know, very dangerous with math. And highlighting it so that Miss Pep can see it right away. Okay, but I think it's cool to color it, and we do have time, and it's kind of a crafty week, so might as well make the use of it. So I'll do the next part of his hat. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 minus 22 is 6. So I'm going to color this in yellow. Okay. And the same directions. Ooh, that's easy. 10 minus 3. I don't even have to multiply on these. The same directions apply for your tree and your stocking. Okay, so this is some of your math homework for the week, along with your multiplication facts. And I hope you have fun with it. It's a little change of pace and kind of some review. Okay, bye, 5th graders. See you soon.